Oppo's latest flagship, the Find X8 Pro, has arrived with a very strong claim for photography glory. The phone, which is widely expected to serve as the blueprint for the upcoming OnePlus 13, carries four 50-megapixel cameras and also has a capacitive camera shutter button on the side, which hints at a very well-thought photography experience. The Oppo Find X8 Pro comes with a quad 50MP camera situated in a raised circular enclosure called the Cosmos Ring. Another important hardware feature is the side-positioned and pretty large capacitive camera shutter button, which lets you quickly open the camera app, zoom in and out in landscape mode, and take a still photo or start recording a video. The main camera is a 50MP one with an f1.6 aperture and a slightly smaller 1.4-inch sensor in comparison with last year's 1-inch sensor on the Oppo Find X7 Ultra. The camera width is pretty standard at 23mm, similar to last year. The first telephoto camera is 50MP one with a f2.6 aperture and 3x optical zoom. The other telephoto camera is yet another 50MP one, but significantly longer with 6x optical zoom or 135mm. Finally, the Ultrawide is a 50MP one with f2.0 aperture and one 2.75-inch sensor, smaller than the 1.9-inch on the Find X7 Ultra. What's more important here, however, is that the Ultrawide on the Oppo Find X8 Pro is slightly tighter at 15mm in comparison with the 14mm one on the Find X7 Ultra. There are also phones with wider cameras, like the Nubia Z70 Ultra, which has a 13mm ultra-wide camera, able to fit much more in the frame. So how does this all pan out for the Oppo Find X8 Pro? With a total score of 151.7, the new Oppo Find X8 Pro ranks better than the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL or the 9 Pro, as well as its Oppo Find X7 Ultra predecessor. The Galaxy S24 Ultra and the iPhone 16 Pro Max both rank a little higher, but the difference isn't that grand. The Find X8 Pro achieves a pretty impressive still photo camera score of 157.8, where it technically loses to the Pixel 9 Pro XL with 159, the Galaxy S24 Ultra with 161.9, and iPhone 16 Pro Max with 158.4, but beats the Oppo Find X7 Ultra, which scored 156.8. In video, the Oppo Find X8 Pro scores 145.7 points, beating both the Find X7 Ultra and the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Overall, great result for the Oppo Find X8 Pro. It not only shares friendly blows with the top players in the mobile photography space, but also successfully beats some popular names in the industry, which is always nice to see. In summary, detail is good across the range of cameras in both still photos and videos. Exposure is perfectly acceptable through sometimes slightly erring on the side of underexposure, and colors are realistic, although slightly on the livelier side, which is perfectly fine. More detailed selfie videos and better exposure on the main camera could definitely score an improvement that will make things better overall. But hey, we're splitting hairs here. The Oppo Find X8 Pro camera is perfectly viable, with lots of potential to be one of the best cameras you can have in your pocket in the next few months. Sadly, the Oppo Find X8 Pro won't be available in the US, but don't get too sad. The global version of the OnePlus 13 will be available in the US, and it's gonna inherit most of the same hardware, sadly without the long 6x telephoto, so we can anticipate great things in terms of camera performance.